All right, you guys, we are going to go over the features of this cooler backpack. I, for one, want to say this backpack is very, very light. Like, this thing feel like a feather. You put it on, the best part about this, it has these cushions right here, one on this side and one on this side. So you will not feel stress on your back when your book bag is too heavy. You got your straps, you strap it down, tighten it up. Cool thing about this, you have a zipper right here. All right, you got a zipper right there. Oh, well, what do you know? I didn't even see this. You have a multi-tool. Oh, this is cool. This is a can opener, box opener, bottle opener, screwdriver, all in one. Well, flathead screwdriver. So there you go. Pretty cool. Put that back in your little slot. All right. So I can show you the rest of the features, of course. You have a zipper part right here on the top. Of course, the zipper to open the whole thing. And it is deep. Really, really deep, you guys. Bada boom. All right, you guys. So we have an estimate of 17 inches, probably a little bit more because you could close the top. Side net right here, another side net on this side. And then in the front, we have an opening. You have these little slots so you can put little bottles in here or whatever you using for camping or whatever your activity is. Then you have a side zipper right there. The black strap right here. You can use this handle to hold it up if you want to hold it up like this. And that's about it. What I'm going to do is just put some ice in a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to test out to see how long the ice will last, as far as if you're on the beach or if you're out camping or whatever you're doing. Somebody in the comments might say, well, why somebody want to bring ice with them in their cooler? Well, maybe they have cups and maybe they want to use ice with their drinks. You know, sometimes you might have somebody in the comments that will ask you why. Going inside the book bag, as you can see, I have 8 bottles of water in there. Now, I am not the best packer, okay? So don't say, oh, you should have just put them sideways or put it this way. I am not the packer, okay? My wife is the one who packs everything. We need our bread because, you know, we need sandwiches. And look at that. There is still real estate in here, you guys. Like, you could still fit a whole lot of stuff in here. All right, you guys, we're gonna lift it up. There we go. Yeah, now it's a little heavy. Did I mention this clip right here? You can actually hang your keys right here. I think I went over all that. And I, for one, want to say that this is the coolest thing that we have as far as going out to the pool, going camping, whatever you need to do. And I'm gonna be honest, this do not even feel uncomfortable. Like, I had backpacks where it felt uncomfortable, but this, it feels good. I guess because of the cushions in the back. All right, you guys, so we are going to finalize this review. I just want to say that this cooler backpack is probably one of the best things I have in this house, and we are definitely going to utilize this thing during the course of our spring, summer, and fall. With sports coming, with just going out to, you know, maybe going to like theme parks or something, wherever your outdoor activity. Last time, I'm just going to do a quick overview. I forgot to tell y'all, it has this cool reflector right here. You probably can't see it, but I can actually see the reflector. Little line right there. Zipper opening right here. Slots right here. You can fit a whole lot of stuff in here. Pocket on each side. You have your zipper on the back, but it's on the back side on the top. On the back, you have your zipper right here. In this little part, maybe you have like an ID or something. I don't even know who thought about this. Maybe somebody who goes camping and forget to bring a bottle opener or something. Screwdriver, whatever you need, it's right here. A little measuring tool. Awesome. Fits right there inside his own personal pocket. All right, you guys. And I want to say that this thing is comfortable because it has the pads right here. Pad right here on this side. For the price of this thing, I think it's worth it. So salute to the company that made this. And yeah, like, comment, share it, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next video.